This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Bezgar HP141s. And some YouTubers are saying it's cheap. Okay, but they also say it's mightily fast. Let's find out, shall we? It comes with a 2852 brushless 4400 kV motor, and it's got the 45 amp independent ESC, which can run up to a 3S LiPo. If you buy directly from Bezgar, you can pick various options. Like here, I have the 3S battery. You can buy 2S or no batteries at all. That's why the price ranges from $219 US up to $252 as of recording this video. It also comes with paddle tires for those that want to drive on sand, very fine gravel, and of course water if you're crazy enough. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments below that you want to see this car drive across water and I'll make it happen. This is on 75% throttle, and as you see, it's actually quite a handful. Try and keep it in a straight line. So, ladies and gents, this is now 2 days after I'd finished recording the video and was ready to upload to YouTube, and I found out some information that bothered me. In fact, it bothered me so much, I'm now re-recording everything. Whoa! Landed on its wheels. Wow. Firstly though, let me just quickly update you about what's happened to the car. If you see, we've broken the shell a little bit. And this was because 2 days ago in the evening, Colin and myself wanted to see how durable the car actually was. So we brought it back here, set up some big jumps, and just tried our best to break it. And the only thing that broke was this shell there. So much so you can see that here I am 2 days later now driving it. Yesterday I edited the video. This morning I threw the video away to re-record it. So what's got me all hot and bothered? Why is it I found the need to throw it all away? This is on 100% throttle, by the way, and look at how bonkers it is to control. So I'm gonna just let you look at some footage for now. What I want to do is during the outro, I will update you on to why I'm so bothered, why it's frustrated me. But obviously there are some people here that want to see this car driving. So as my old footage had all of this talking over that now it's not relevant, I felt the need to re-record. And I really don't mind. Gorgeous day. And it is a great little buggy. 1/14 scale, and it is so hard to handle. So hard to handle. What I'll also do, something that I didn't do 2 days ago, was I will put it on the tarmac and see how well it does there, to give it a very fair chance. 100% throttle, and it is mad. Come on, there we go. Just keep that throttle in. It's not the smoothest of areas here, so for it to handle this area so well is actually quite impressive in my opinion. Don't do the same thing again, John. On my last attempt at a video, I managed to nearly drive off that edge because I was looking if any cars were coming left and right. You can see this area is a lot more bumpy. I wanted to see how well the car coped here. It always happens, doesn't it? There we go. Oh, For a 1/14th scale, it does in fact handle these big ruts really well. Come on. Oh, so nearly. Oh man, if our C car purchases were made on how bonkers they were and how they make you giggle, well then this one is quite good. So how fast can it go? Well, it's got the 3S in it, so it should be capable of, I think, 47 miles per hour. I put on the screen now what that is in kilometers, but trying to get it there is pretty much impossible. One good thing, you will be getting fit when you are in this vehicle due to the fact that you'll be walking to pick it up so often. As you can see, I've moved over to the tarmac here. Will it handle any better than the craziness of the gravel? What did I say about you getting fit and healthy? Oh. Trying to brake carefully now. Oh, the old question. Is so much power too much power? Please don't roll over there. I don't want to go and pick it up. Hey! Yeah, I mean, even on the tarmac, getting it to full speed is going to be a right handful, isn't it? Cue the Benny Hill music. Wheel spinning at full throttle. No comment, ladies and gents. Oh, I don't like exercising. Well, ladies and gents, what do you think about that footage? I think you'll be spending 90% of your time picking the car up off its roof. Could this deal with a gyro? Does it need a gyro? Yes, I think it perhaps could, and I think I may run it with the gyro at a later date to see if it improves the handling. Now, what was it that caused me to throw all my footage away from 2 days ago and re-record all of this? What it was I've always known that Bezgar and MJX work closely together. Whether it's licensed or not, I assume it is licensed, but what usually happens is Bezgar come along and they upgrade it or change a few bits and bobs. I was checking out the MJX 14200 or 10, I'll put that on the screen now. And then I got this one, which is the HP141s and the HP141. And I ran them all side by side, all of the specs, and they all seem to have the same 2852 4400 kV motor. They all seem to have the same 45 amp ESC. They all seem to have the same drivetrain. In fact, they look identical. The HP141, not this one, the other version of this, and then this is the upgraded HP141s. All I can see is different is they've added paddle tires and a 3S battery. Now, if you have the 3S battery on this, it's $252 US. However, the HP141, if you put the 3S battery on that, no paddle tires, $218 US. So then I looked at the price of the MJX that this car is based on, and that's what started to really bother me. It comes with a 2S battery and paddle tires, and it's currently on Amazon at $156 US. So what's happening? What am I missing here? If this is greatly upgraded in some way, they've hidden that fact somewhere. I checked about 5 different sites that were selling this car and the MJX, and I can't find anywhere why this one costs $94 US more. Yes, it has a 3S battery versus the 2S. A 3S battery, 2000 milliamp hour is going to cost you $19 US. So then you're up from 156, add on the 20, 176 US versus this that is currently at 252 US. What? Bezgar, you've been good to me along the way, but you need to explain yourselves on this one. If I've made a mistake, I'll own up to that. I will say that I've made a mistake and give the new details, but you've got such a big jump in price. Why? Why? So can I recommend this car? I'm sorry, Bezgar, I just cannot. Not at its current price. If it was down at the 150, 160 US, then I definitely would recommend it. But of course, I've just literally finished the video on the Larlo 1/10 or Mini 1/10, so 1/12 scale on the Terminator, and that's at 249 US. That's cheaper than this, got the gyro, handles so much better, and from what I can see, pretty bulletproof. In fact, it's my new favorite car, and there's not really a lot on that one that you can improve. On this one, I'm afraid to say, there is quite a lot. Now, we have beaten this, we have pretty much destroyed it, and nothing's broken on it, or attempted to destroy it, should I say. We have cracked the shell, I've explained that to you, that's it. Nothing else has broken on it, which is absolutely fabulous. So there you go, ladies and gents. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you next time. Take care, stay safe, bye-bye.